Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily create a fillable form in DocuSign. So just head over to DocuSign.com, then just make sure that you're logged into your account. And from here, just click on Start Now. DocuSign is now creating an envelope. So in the Add Documents section, just upload the file or the form that you want to edit. Also, make sure that you add the recipients of the document and make sure that this option has needs to sign. You can also customize a message and select envelope types. Then once done, just click on Next. So we have here a sample of job application form that has the name, email. So what we're going to do is add fields to this information right here. So in here we have signature, initial, stamp, date signed, and a lot more that we can easily drag and drop to our document file. So say for example, in the name section, we're going to add this name. All you have to do is just drag and drop it to the field. You can also change the font, the size of the font. Another thing, in this radio section, we can also drag and drop this radio and drag it the same with the radio on our document. So these fillable fields will depend on the type of form that you're going to create. And you can easily just pick an option on this left side panel that you can drag and drop on your document. Then once done, just click on send. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!